Malayalam Keyboard is an application designed to enable users to type in the Malayalam language on their Android devices. Primarily aimed at Malayalam speakers, this app provides a user-friendly interface that facilitates easy input of Malayalam text for various purposes, including messaging, social media, and document writing. Typically, Malayalam Keyboard features a range of tools that enhance the typing experience, such as customizable keyboard layouts, support for multiple Malayalam fonts, and seamless switching between Malayalam and English. It often includes functionalities like word prediction, autocorrect, and personalized suggestions to improve efficiency and accuracy while typing. Additionally, the app may offer emoji support and voice typing features, making it versatile for modern communication needs. Overall, Malayalam Keyboard serves as a practical resource for anyone looking to communicate effectively in Malayalam on their mobile devices.